Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need clarity first. Pick a narrow niche and top keywords so your pins find the right people. Once chosen, convert or create a Pinterest business account for analytics and rich pins. Then, make a simple content bank. Collect 10 affiliate links and 15 vertical images sized around 1000 by 1500 pixels. Make sure each image has a clear focal point. Finally, write short SEO titles and descriptions using your keywords so you can start publishing immediately without pause. Now you build repeatable content. Design 3 pin templates that vary CTA, color, and layout so you can A/B test quickly. Once you have templates, craft keyword-rich descriptions with your primary keyword in the first 30 characters and 3-5 secondary keywords naturally included. Use a scheduler like Tailwind or Pinterest's native scheduler to space posts. Aim for 5 to 10 pins a day for 2 weeks. Also, track saves and clicks. When a template outperforms, scale it with new images and slightly varied copy. You're ready to launch and scale. Review your analytics weekly and double down on the pin formats and keywords that drive clicks and conversions. Make sure you disclose affiliate links transparently in descriptions and comply with Pinterest's rules and local regulations. Once you scale, automate variations and test different landing pages. If a pin is rejected or traffic drops, troubleshoot by checking link redirects, removing excessive tracking parameters, and repinning the asset with a cleaned URL. This usually fixes blocking or indexing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.